how to shave and get a perfect shave almost every time following these simple steps. Thank me in the comments section. The first thing you want to do is either take a shower or wash your face. You just getting off that oil and dirt on your face is key. That is so huge. A lot of people just skip this step. You're shaving before work. You're just throwing some water on your face, put some gel on there and going at it with your Gillette, Chick Bic, whatever. Doesn't matter. What I'm telling you is if you take a shower or at least wash your face in warm water to help prepare your skin, you're going to absolutely have better results just by that one simple tip. Next, throw away your canned shaving cream. If you want to take this another level and you want that barbershop shave with those crisp lines, if you got, a goatee or a beard, throw away the gel and start using products like Cella. It's going to help lift up the hairs on your face, exfoliate that, get all the dead skin off your face, and prepare your face for a perfect shave. Very key. For the price, it's really good. Now, there are better shaving soaps out there. My absolute favorite is Arion and Evans. You're going to want to use a shaving brush. This one's by Timeless Razors. It doesn't matter, but get a synthetic brush. My neck is my most sensitive area, so that's where I'm going to spend a lot of my time. Boar and Badger brushes are pretty rough, so if you have sensitive skin, and even if you don't, you might get some irritation just from the brush. I did, and when I switched to a synthetic brush, I didn't have that problem anymore. So that was perfect for me. If you want that barbershop quality shave, you're going to want to switch to a traditional safety razor. Now there's a ton of them out here. This is one of them. This is Henson Shaving. This is one of the best-selling safety razors on the planet. It really is, because if you don't get the correct angle with this, see where it's skipping up top? Don't have the right angle. It does not cut. That's the biggest selling point on this. It's what sold me on it, and it's why I push their product all the time. There's no tab sticking out here on the end. It's a great head shaver. And this is where safety razors are going to be outperforming a cartridge razor because you can cut in nice straight lines. Big selling point, and that's what we're all looking for here. Post-shave routine. Don't just rinse this stuff off your face. Oh yeah, it's nice and smooth and think you're done. You're not. You're going to want to use things like an alum block. This is going to help repair your skin on your face. You're just going to rub it on your face wet, right? Everywhere you shaved. I have no stinging. Now, what you're going to feel is if you had the wrong angle or whatnot, this is going to give you a stinging sensation to let you know that you're a little too aggressive with pressure or technique, one or the other. If you have any razor burn, any skin irritation, it's going to help naturally fix that on your face. Huge product, and this product's cheap. It's like $10. It comes in a case, Gentleman John or Parker. Don't skip that. The next thing you're going to want to use is it's going to sound funny, a facial toner. My #1 seller on Amazon because it is so good. People that have been shaving for years buy this stuff and they're like, oh my God, I can't believe I was missing out on that. This stuff is #1 rated by dermatologists all over the world because it's that good. It's going to put all these minerals in witch hazel, and it's going to help soften up your skin and repair it just like the alum block did. This is probably the one thing I definitely would not skip is Thayer's. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use a good quality aftershave. This one right here is Nivea. It's probably the #1 seller on Amazon, at least it was a couple of years ago when I bought it. It's like a lotion, but it's thinner. You can see it. I don't put much on, and I just put it on where I shaved. Now this stuff has a little bit of a scent to it. It's a fresh scent though. And what you're going to do is just let that air dry on your face, and about 20 minutes from now, you're going to find out that that's going to soak in all these post-shave products that you use. 20 minutes from now, you're going to see it. Your skin's going to be glowing, shiny, and it's going to be silky smooth, especially your head. This stuff is great because, again, it doesn't have a huge scent to it, so it's not going to hang around if you wear cologne. A huge selling point for me. If you like this video, check out this one right here, the 5 common shaving do's and don'ts. One of my #1 videos, has over 200,000 views. So check that out, and I will see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Thanks for watching. You guys have a fantastic week. Leave a comment down below, and let's talk about some of the problems you might be having or some of the tips you might have for some of the viewers on the channel. Have a great day.